Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download apps on Windows 11 laptop and PC. Now, whether you're using a laptop and PC, the process is actually just the same. Now, I want you to head over down below and look for the Microsoft Store. If you don't see it here, just go ahead and click this Windows icon here and then type here Store and you should be able to see it. Just go ahead and open this one. Now, the first thing that you are going to have to do here is basically sign in. So in my case, I already have signed in my account to this Windows. That's why it's popping up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit OK. And there you go. So I'm now signed in. As you can see here at the top, that is my account. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is just head over here and basically just search for whatever application you are trying to use. So let's go ahead and try to download, say, Netflix, for example. All right, so there is Netflix right here. I'm going to hit install and you can see that now I have downloaded it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it and there you go. So you can then go ahead and basically start this one, sign in, and then enter your account. And that is how simple it is to download apps on Windows 11 laptop and PC.